Have you ever felt like your mind is not yours anymore? Like it keeps running, thinking, overthinking. You are lying in bed at 2 a.m., and your mind? Still awake, still questioning, still fearing. You ask yourself, what if I fail? What will people think? Why am I like this? This voice in your head won't stop. But thousands of years ago, Lord Krishna gave us an answer. A timeless truth. One verse that speaks directly to this mental battle. Bhagavad Gita chapter 6, Shloka 6. Explanation is, for he who has conquered the mind is the best of friends. But for the one who hasn't, the mind becomes the worst enemy. Yes, your own mind can either lift you or destroy you. You think your enemy is outside? No, it's your uncontrolled, restless mind that keeps looping, doubting, fearing, and dragging you into darkness. And Krishna's message is simple: control your mind, or it will control you. Every time you fall into overthinking, every time fear grabs you, remember, you're not broken. You are just untrained. So what can you do? Don't resist your thoughts, observe them. Don't get trapped in them, rise above them. Don't fear your mind, master it. With practice, with discipline, and with faith, your mind, once your enemy, will become your greatest ally. Fire, you don't need anyone to save you. You are your own savior. Because when the mind is still, the soul speaks. So from today, make a choice. Be a slave to your mind, or become its master.